it's in pretty good shape, too.
I wonder what we have over here. A wooden hand, an old tree, some candles. Oh, no way! What's this? Whoa! You've gotta be kidding me! I think it's a boogie board! Tina, look!
What? Oh, that's amazing! I want something amazing, too! I just gotta keep searching. There must be something in here. Ugh, nothing in this box. Maybe if I look over here? No thanks on the donut.
Wait! Whoa! Oh my gosh!
I think it's some sort of inflatable! A floaty, maybe? Or a pool? Wait a second. I think I'm getting an idea. Step 1. Use this bike pump to inflate this inflatable. Just gotta keep pumping. Whew, this is hard work. Okay, now I need to open my backpack for step 2. Come on, Candy. Into the kiddie pool you go. Yep, all of you. Let's go, let's go. We don't have all day.
What the? Tina, how did you have so much candy in there? Wait a second. Tina, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Here, take this helmet for safety.
Got it! Woohoo! Geronimo! Ooh, woohoo! It worked! I totally landed in the candy pool!
Matt, it's my turn now! Watch me! Woo!
Hey, you did it, Tina!
Darn right I did! Now let's celebrate!
What do we have here? Looks like some sort of case. Get out of there!
What are you… Ow! Ouch! Whoa! What is that?
I know, right? Let's take a look and see what's inside. Could be something epic. Oh, huh. Like a lot of junk? Hey wait! A lollipop! This looks delicious!
Oh, Matthew. That was not okay. Well, I've got these markers.
You have fun with them. I've got this lamp to keep me busy. First things first, I need to get rid of this ratty lampshade. Now I'm gonna turn it upside down and add some hot glue. Doesn't have to be a lot, just a dollop. And then for the straws. I've cut it to length and now I can add it to the lampshade frame. Perfect! Now I just have to keep going with other colors. That's one nice looking lampshade if I do say so myself. And I do. Alright, let's get this lampshade back on the lamp and see what we've got. Whoa, that turned out great!
Hey, Matthew. Look, I drew this picture of you.
Oh. Haha, real funny. Well, I made this lamp.
Holy cow! You made that? I'm impressed. But I think it could be even better. Let me show you something. Just gotta draw a little bit more over here. There. I colored the tape I put on the roll of tape. That sounds funny. Anyway, look at this. It can go right on top of your lampshade.
Whoa! You're a genius, Tina! Whoa. Just look at all those tiny grains of sand falling.
Ugh, I'm so bored. This is so boring now. Ah! What was that? Oh, a hand fell on my head. Hey, wait a second! I know what we should do!
What's that now?
Okay, I've got this plastic sheeting, and I've wrapped myself up tight!
I've got the vacuum. You ready for this, Tina? Because here I come. It's working! The vacuum is sucking out all the air. Ooh! Ow, my back. Stupid floor. Why do you have to be so hard like that? We've still got more plastic sheeting. I know what to do!
Wait, Matthew! Where are you going? Don't leave me here like this! Ah! Matthew, I'm stuck!
Okay, I think this should be enough plastic for my plan to work. I'm gonna need to blow up this balloon, though. That's good enough. I can add it to the others in this plastic bag. Alright, then back to the vacuum. It's gonna get rid of all the extra air around the balloons. Ha! Look at this! It's amazing! It's sort of like a giant balloon. Tina! Here, let me help you up.
Thanks for that. Hey, what'd you make over there?
Oh, let me show you. It's my solution to the hard ground. Ah, so much more comfortable.
Let me try. Alright, time for a nap. I need some of this blanket.
Huh? Tina? What the heck? Stop stealing my blanket!
Hey, no fair! You've gotta share with me, Matthew! You can't hog it! Huh? Oh. It looks like a hula hoop or something.
Stop!
Wait. The blanket! The plastic hoop? Yeah, this'll totally work! Alright, just gotta take some of these scraps and use these scissors. Okay, the hoop is covered in blanket fabric. Now I'm gonna use the sheer fabric and use some safety pins. I'm gonna pin it all around the hoop like this. Just a few more adjustments here. One more strap there. Ta-da! What do you think?
I don't even know what it is.
You're hopeless. Okay, just give me 1 second. Just gonna run up these stairs. Prepare yourself for the awesome!
What? Ugh. Fabric?
Okay, it's tied in place. Back down I go. Okay, do you get it now? Watch. See? It's like our own little sanctuary.
It reminds me of mosquito netting, but alright, I dig it.
Our place is really starting to come together.
Now it's back to nap time for me and my blanket.
Ha! Look at all this cool stuff I found in this box!
That's hilarious. I particularly like those glasses.
Alright, Matthew. Prepare yourself for my next look.
I'm waiting. Aw, man, I'm also pretty hungry, too. I think I'm definitely gonna need some grub. Let me just give this a little blow-in. Huh? Here's the food you ordered, sir. Whoa, no way! I hadn't even ordered anything yet. You're welcome. I just need your payment, please. Oh, right, money. Just give me a second here.
Rawr! We all float down here! Ah! Sewer cloud! Run! Oh man, I scared the heck out of that dude! He ran so fast!
I'm gonna see what I've got in this bag. Ooh, a drink. Don't mind if I do. Ah, I love soda. No! My free soda! Oh, that's a huge mess now, too.
Hey! Now I'm a rainbow unicorn! Hey, what happened over there? Matthew, did you spill a soda on the floor? Well, don't worry. I think I've got something in here that can help. Got him! Some wooden clothes hangers and a glue gun. Time to get to work with the glue. Let's do this. Just gonna add a squiggle line down the arms like this. It doesn't have to be perfect or anything. It's not for decoration. Just a little more, and there. That should be enough. Now I'm gonna glue the other hanger to this one like this. I'll remove the hooks and perfect! They're table legs. And now I just need a tabletop. There it is! Ta-da! Now we have a table for sodas and stuff!
I'm really impressed. All I gotta do now is clean up my soda mess.
Matthew, are you kidding me?
You're ridiculous.
I'm so close to beating this level and… No! Shoot!
Haha! Sounds like something is amiss. Just kidding. But now it's time to look at things magnified.
Matthew? What are you doing? You're being such a weirdo right now.
Let's see. We've got the hand, and the tree. Ooh, Tina's bows.
Knock it off, Matthew! I'm busy! Ugh! What are you doing? You're being so stupid right now!
Hey wait, look at this.
Look at what? Why are you being like this?
Everything is so colorful and reflective. It's cool.
Hey! Wait a second. Give me that. I've got this box I'm gonna flip on its edge. Then I'll add the magnifying glass and start tracing its shape. All the way around like this. And then I'll cut it out. Now I can take the magnifying lens and put it right in the hole. Perfect! Alright, Matthew. You ready to see what I've made? I'll just put it on the table, and now here's my phone. I put a phone stand inside so the phone has somewhere to rest.
Oh, Tina, I totally get it. This is gonna be awesome. Let me just close it up. I'll get the lights.
And I've got the snacks! Here's some popcorn just for you.
Look! Our homemade projector totally works! I love this channel!
Oh, gosh, it's been a long day.
Oh yeah, you're telling me. We really did a lot. I'm just gonna close my eyes for a second here.
What would you do if you found a secret room under the stairs? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.